This is Science Week 32, Day 2, and we spend a little time exploring constellations in different seasons. And so this little set of slides is going to talk more about why is this happening? What is causing this to happen? There are two videos here. Both of them are great videos and help explain a little bit more clearly why those things are happening. On this page you're going to build a model, and what you're really going to do is take these things right here. Remember to take yourself out of present mode so that you can do this, and you're going to move the earth to different spots, and you're going to label each of the seasons, and then that will help you understand why you see what you're seeing through each season. So you will do that on your own to help you understand that better. This is a really kind of a cool thing that you get to play with. So watch this teacher video here. Make sure that you watch this first because it gives you a really good explanation of what you're going to be seeing as you click on the link for the stellarium or stellarium. I'm not sure how you would say that, but you want to watch the video first so that you can understand how to use the stellarium. All right, and you just go ahead and play with that. It's kind of a simulator type thing. And then the last thing you're going to do is, hopefully you'll get a chance to do this, go outside after the sun sets, just maybe on your front porch or on your balcony or wherever, if your parents are okay with it, and just look at the sky. Remember that it's spring. See if you can find those constellations that we were talking about. If you were able to, put a check mark in that box and list what those were. If not, you can just say, well, I didn't get a chance to go outside yet, and that's okay. All right, enjoy this and have fun with it.